Hello family, top day. I'm making this video about Polkadot staking. Honestly, I'm one black and nice little platform where me trust him for after working some months with them, after investing with them for some months, I've increased my stakes up. Also, me bet Tumblr I'm increasing one tab league or stakes me increasing one tab now. I am hoping to increase it as day goes by and me show him plenty of transaction of withdrawal na deposit na investing and everything me making plenty finish on my YouTube channel and my Facebook page, and people are still really asking. Even last time saw my recent video where me post about me making $113 withdrawal USDT into my Binance account, and some people said, oh, this is fake, all token fake. And please let me get this straight to you guys. As a man that Chronicles of HP, one of the YouTube channels in Papua New Guinea that I make videos about how to make money online, especially side hustles and like that. We make him all narapla videos kami musem me look him slow some outcomes blow when misa benefit lem. It's like I used to get pennies here. Come now me come touch him cryptocurrency na me start play around in cryptocurrency na. Me make him slow video blow Polkadot eh. At least me look him honestly, Mr. playing game lol 20-year-old na 17-year-old 16-year-old number of stuff, and now true I must me playing game straight there. So that's why I'm documenting my cryptocurrency journey, and I'm documenting it in video format and uploading it onto my um, YouTube channel and Facebook page and all that. And useti woko to ko am fake na, I'm no legit now, whatever. Please let me make it clear to you guys. Polkadot staking platform. EMSA interact want them Binance. That's the feature that makes me to trust it. If me making one withdrawal from Polkadot, I'm hard lo going to Binance. I'm fake platform na fake application, but me making withdrawal blow me, I'm going to straight to my Binance wallet. That shows that it's a genuine platform, man, where I don't know whatever happen about it later. I mean, okay, if I'm crash or one, I'm willing to take the risk, but I'm investing my money onto it. And also me flow on top lem na stana me making a video na me document him na me upload na me show him I've been transparent with my account balances, where no motherfucker show you guys this here. Please get this straight with yourselves. Me expose him on Binance wallet blow me. I've even made videos that exposed my Polkadot staking account and Binance wallet balance there. And yet people really do want to get in yet now. You la go looking Thomas straight. Please, you the kind man, let me make it straight and clear to you that I don't give a fuck about you. You la come up Thomas now, you la thinking plenty stuff. That's your problem. I don't gain, I don't lose without you. I will always be me. And thank you. This is not for you guys who say to woko. Also believe name flow na stop. You look him results na. You know it what it's like and how the progress is going and we are flowing. So I salute you for that. Some of us are just they will not even take a step forward too, but they are just here and there for the information now. Or they are just all finding story na seeking attention around the internet na mode, and we don't give a fuck about these people. We are talking about real investors that will sign up on the platform, go and put in money and make money and get paid money there, and that's it. We only care about this kind of people. You just spectators and other passerbys just going and coming and dropping comments and something like you already invested $1,000 into it or something like that. We don't need your just lousy comments to it stinks on the comment section. So just take it with you and go somewhere else. We mean business here. And like him, sorry for speaking hard like this to my loyal subscribers and followers. This is meant for those keyboard warriors who don't know how to do anything but just typing stupid comments on the comment section. This is for them. So like you, Polkadot gaman, I'll be working it for some months. I'll be promoting it on the channel as long as the platform don't crash and it's still up and running. And I will be always making sure that this platform reaches out to every other Papua New Guineans like-minded that are willing to take the risk and give a try. I will still be dropping videos and pushing it forward. And please, the link for the sign up for Polkadot is in the description of this video. Go down and sign up, and those who are willing to give a try, you don't have USDT and you want to invest, you can check the WhatsApp group in the description of the channel and message me, and you can buy USDT from me as a trusted source where you can get your USDT safe. And I want to make this straight that if you haven't signed up on Red.Pay yet, I've left the link for Red.Pay in the description. For Red.Pay, it's a mobile application where you install it on your phone. If your phone has a feature called NFC, then you can use cryptocurrency to purchase goods and services using FPOS machines from BSP or Kina Bank, or even the ATMs that has a non-contact swipe, or not contact but contactless magnetic fields that detect your Visa cards. That's why I'm saying you go download the Red.Pay application. I've left the link in the description. If you already signed up on Polkadot, and you go and download that, and later you will need it to transfer your funds from your Binance to Red.Pay, and then use your phone, NFC phone, to just do cash outs on whatever app was in the country. You use cryptocurrency to purchase your daily goods and services. So that's what it's like. Cryptocurrency Chronicles of HP. I told you guys, we just began and we have a lot of more discovery to see and get into. So stay tuned with me. We are going into a new technological AI revolution in this world. So for myself and my country, those of you who are believing and following me, keep up the trust at the same pace, and we go together. So thank you very much for those who have been signing up on the Polkadot staking platform. I hope you guys are making your profits. And one big thing about this Polkadot staking platform that have made me to gain its trust is because you see that we know that Binance and Kainosem, it's a big bank for cryptocurrency, and once payment from Polkadot into Binance am accepted, and from payment from Binance into Polkadot is accepted, it shows a genuine connection link between these two platforms. So that's why I put my trust on it. I bet my money on it. I've staked it for almost 365 days, and yes, that's for 1 year. So every day I just wait around and just press the button for the withdrawal to get into my Binance account, and from there, those who are looking to purchase USDT and start their investing, they hit me up on WhatsApp chat and they purchase USDT from me. And yeah, it's like that. And I send their crypto to their crypto account, and that's it. It's like that. So for those who said La Thomas yet na stop, don't worry, Blue. I told you already, I don't give a fuck. Look, Sol, na me taking step forward, leme. Watch and stay tuned na. All narap la uset willing no benim leme, you look him all succeed or no gat lem, you look na you me float so nasta. Otherwise, lusim sa ka no long all ting black ting misa logara something na. Omla batawag something lem, you me ask na help na. Flow on them na. Those curious who said straight, you shall look him over time, look him account balance, blow me straight. How I'm reflect na change leme, please. Even Mary blow me too, or something blow me so. Just me show him road there, big something that me show him road there. Some all YouTube influencers will come and tell you that, oh, and one black and 1,000 kina course by you buy him na go line him lem or kind of type of courses, yeah. Me just open mouse sol na you sawe pun down and you like chim, you less larim. It's a world of You at your own risk, cryptocurrency, at your own will, at your own risk, and do whatever you want with it. And always guards up and alert and stay vigilant so that you don't get scammed. And always do your research whenever you get confused with whatever thing so that you flow na stop. So thank you very much once again, everyone who have been signing up with the links. And purchasing USDT yet na start yet to invest na placing more stakes blue na stop. Please give a try, play some stakes. Time is money. The time I'm run stop some people are already progressing and no would you come late na buy you late. So sign up link lo Polkadot I put him lo description too. Polkadot bus stop, Red.pay link bus stop, Binance link bus stop. Sign up na. Give me flow. You follow, sign up one, please just don't ask me a lot of questions. Just try play YouTube stuff go work research blue lab, internet stuff phone you lim na watch him la video I'm got potential blow make him research to na learn more teach yourself more. So go and do some research na. Give me flow na stuff. No one come na just all simple question you start ask him number out which you already should have a basic knowledge of number you come ask him, you will only make yourself look stupid to the crowd. So please help yourself, do some research. Because something main road may show him you when I'm can really break down go on them Starland blue yet. For myself, me no private consultant blue, as I've always said. I have many assets to manage. I have my YouTube channels and Facebook pages. I have to manage my Telegram group and channels. I have a lot of things. I have to look at my Polkadot staking platforms there, my other investment platforms and wallets there. I have to manage them. So just don't bug me around. Only if you want to come and purchase USDT, okay, you hit a direct chat to me on WhatsApp. Otherwise, it's just me no man lo pining story, nothing. No, someone Mary sit down, pining story go nara blouse. No. I'm always a busy guy, so just don't disturb me. You want to do business transactions, okay, you disturb my time. Such that you want to purchase USDT and like that, okay, you disturb. You want to get more information and all that. I document everything. Me no like your man disturbing me, so me go document him everything that I'm going through. Na me go upload lo channel le. YouTube channel Blimi Chronicles of HP, Facebook page Blimi stuff, Telegram channel stuff, group stuff. Flow na me flow. So like him one time this la please no gam belevi lo me must talk to ko sentu na strong him thinking na set him some guidelines too na you me flow na stuff like you plus straight lo na people watch him na please PNG blow me much love na stay blessed kids.